Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how you can create or add any text to your videos or images in Premiere Pro. It's super easy, like 1, 2, 3. First thing you have to do is go to the tools bar and click onto the type tool, or just simply press on the T button on your keyboard and then go to the program monitor and click anywhere on it like that with the mouse. And I'm gonna type down Moon Knight like that. We all know who's the Moon Knight. Everyone loves it. I love it personally. It's one of the best Marvel characters so far. But anyway, then I'm gonna press escape and then I'm gonna press on V, and like that we can move the text whatever we like onto the program monitor. And as you can see, we've got these red lines across the program monitor that's gonna snap the text exactly at the middle of the program monitor. And if you don't see them on your program monitor, I've said this word too many times already, then you go to this little icon and click on it, and from here go down to show guides and simply click on them, and then you're gonna be able to see those red lines. Okay, then after you've got the text, go to the effect control panel, and from there I'm gonna open the text options, and from here going further down to the source text, you can choose a different font. In that case I'm using the Gibson font, and also I'm using the bold one, which is the only version. As you can see, we've got this slide where we can increase the text or we can decrease it. Just gonna increase it a little bit more like that, and from here we can align the text from the left, center or right, and I'm gonna light from the center. And then from here we can increase the distance between the letters. Let me just put it in the middle so you can see better. And from further down, if you go further down below these options, we've got this icon where we can click on it and make all of the letters bold. We can make them italic, or we can make all of them capital letters, which I like them like that. I'm gonna decrease them a little bit. Okay, I think it's perfect like that. Then I'm gonna go down further down, and under appearance, from here we can change the fill color. We can choose a stroke, which you're gonna tick on it, and now we've got a stroke which I'm gonna increase a little bit, and that looks better like that with the red stroke. And also we can add a background, or we can add a shadow as well. And under the shadow you've got the opacity option. You can increase it or decrease it. You can change the angle of the shadow. Also you can change the distance. You can make the shadow a bit bigger, and from here we can blur the shadow. Going further down, we've got the transform, and from these options you can move the text to the right or to the left, or you can move it up or down like this. But there is another way to customize your text. If you go up to Windows and then go down to Essential Graphics and click on Edit, from here you have more options to customize your text. For example, if you go down to Align and Transform, if you click on this vertical center icon, this is gonna vertically center your text into the program monitor, and this is gonna be horizontally center the text in your program monitor. So for example, this will place the text exactly at the middle of the screen. And again, from here you can change the position or the angle of the text, and of course the opacity as well. And also if you want to extend the text, you can drag it to the right, or if you want to make it shorter, you can drag it to the left, so you can match the text with the video or the image you have on your project. It's simple as that, and pretty much that's it, guys. Also, if you'd like to see how to do any kind of text animations in Adobe Premiere Pro, you can check the videos on to the left hand side, I guess, and see how to create this kind of cool animation with the text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please hit that like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this one.